Hey. Hi. This is your Sanjukta Karutiki and welcome back to my channel. So, everybody knows by the title that I am going to Buckingham Palace. लिटरली मैं जब से यहाँ पे आई हूँ मुझे सुरभि रसिका ने बोला था कि तुझे ये साल पॉसिबल नहीं होगा और उसके बस समर्स में यू कैन सी द पैलेस फ्रॉम इनसाइड. तो जुलाई से सितंबर तक ही होता है एंड लिटरली 29 सितंबर इज द लास्ट डे एंड टुडे इज 28 सितंबर एंड आई एम गोइंग टू बकिंगम पैलेस. इट्स अ सोलो ट्रिप. पहली बार फ्रॉम ऑक्सफर्ड टू लंडन आई एम गोइंग. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड लिटिल बिट नर्वस ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई एम लिटिल बिट ऑफ when it comes to maps and navigation this side, but my two best friends have helped me a lot, so I'm really excited. It is something 10 a.m. right now. 3:30 p.m. का मेरा slot book किया हुआ है. So but for the like since it's the first time I'm going और मैं कहीं भूल गई भटक गई, that is the reason मैं थोड़ा जल्दी निकल रही हूँ. तो around 11:30 I'll leave from here. And then I'll catch a bus from here. So there is a direct bus to Buckingham Palace and फिर वहाँ से थोड़ा walking है. So yeah, I'm just super excited to see the palace and I'm like very excited since it's the first time in a new city and solo trips, you guys know I love a lot. So oh my god. And if you ask why Surbhi Rasika nobody is there, because Surbhi has gone to some other place and Rasika has some other plans and ये वो लोग actually घूम के हो गया दोनों का Buckingham Palace. So I thought कि I will do. If you guys are new to this channel, hi, my name is Sanjukta and I make travel vlogs. I am little on and off, but I try a lot to create lot of content on YouTube. And the thing is that I have my two best friends, Surbhi and Rasika. If you guys want to know who are they, please check my previous vlogs. You will find tons of videos about them. Like I have vlogged so much with them already. So yeah, let's go. I am going to go have a nice shower. Then I will change what I will wear. I show you guys. I'll see you around. Let's go and visit Buckingham together. So this is the bus stop जो literally यूनिवर्सिटी के सामने है. यहाँ से लंदन और हीथ्रो दोनों बसेस जाते हैं. So I got the bus. So the return ticket is 21 pounds and it is valid till tomorrow. That too on student discount if you are without a student or महंगा. And now I have this is the beautiful Nazara and it's a good 2 hours journey. So I'm just going to see around and enjoy my time and track the location also because pehli baar I am alone traveling, so I need to see where the bus is, where I have to get down or something. And Victoria Buckingham Palace is the second last stop. So yeah, so excited. After seeing the view, I could only think of ये हंसी वादियाँ ये खुला आसमां. Yeah, it was so pretty. आँखों में से बस आके से बहुत प्यारा, like just loved it. And ऐसा लग रहा था कि clouds अब नीचे आएंगे and it was looking so pretty and aesthetic. क्या ही बताऊँ. उसके बाद after 2 hours journey I reached the Buckingham stop and then वहाँ से it was a 9 minutes good walk. I thought कि मैं मतलब I just बोले रास्ता भटक गए वैसे मुझे लगा था, बट नो, आई एक्चुअली वॉज ऑन द राइट ट्रैक एंड दिस वॉज सम ऑफ द आर्किटेक्चरल ब्यूटिफुल एस्थेटिक बिल्डिंग्स ऑन माई वे टू द पैलेस. So guys, I am almost going to enter the Buckingham Palace. I have got my ticket and now I have to enter from gate C. I thought of vlogging, but the thing is कि roads are really busy for cause of Saturday and London बोला तो English आ ही गई है मुँह में से सीधा. So yeah, it's super crowded. तो I'll try and vlog as much possible. यहाँ पे लोग फ़ोन लेके भाग जाते हैं, so I have to be really careful with my new phone. So yeah. So guys, I have arrived literally बहुत early, like around 3:30 p.m. I have to come and it's 2:50. So now I have to wait 40 minutes. So I'm going to go Green Park. It's like a pretty garden which is there in Buckingham. And I'll again come to the queue around 3:20 p.m. or something. So yeah, and the sun is so beautiful. Just it is really amazing to have sun, especially in winters. It is like soon the sun will go, so जितना हो सके उतना sun के साथ enjoy कर लो. Bye. देखो कितना pretty लग रहा है. This is so pretty. This is the Buckingham Palace backside. Oh, you guys can go and have pictures. Palace के अंदर you guys can't click. So this is the place where you can click it. So pretty. People cycle here mostly. हवा तो क्या ही मस्त चलती है, मजा आ रहा है. It's too pretty. As I mentioned earlier, the palace is only open in summers, which is like July, August and September, and rest of the time you can see the Buckingham Palace from outside. Like basically यही area है which you can come anytime and click pictures, and it has such a big garden. Like you just have amazing time here. And I'm just taking photos and I'm just very happy and so blessed that I got a chance to come and see Buckingham Palace. I've heard so much about it, but I genuinely wanted to see it in person एक बार. And then now I just video called my family and I showed it to them also. They were like, thank you for showing, and I was like, thank you for letting me come in. So a lot of things were going on, and yeah, so now like literally it is so pretty. Wait, I'll show you. Like this is basically Mother Mary, and then there are statues of Yeshu, angels, everyone. So it's pretty, very pretty, very pretty. So this was the last clip before I entered the palace, as it was some 3:20 p.m. already and I had to rush to go towards the gate seat to get my entry done quickly. Guys, the Buckingham Palace, oh my god. I just came out, literally I took 3 to 4 hours, 3:30 ko main gayi, 6 p.m. now. I took good my sweet time and it is so pretty, so pretty guys. Oh my god, look at the whole palace. अंदर से इतना ज़्यादा beautiful है. If you ever get a chance, please come here. I can't express. It's so pretty. Like it's a beauty that you will just store in your eyes, and it's like a lifetime moment. I'm so happy and glad. And tomorrow is 29 September. The Buckingham Palace like shuts tomorrow, like for summer. Like state rooms are only available in summers. So I'm so happy I made it in time, and this looks so pretty. Yay! You guys liked the Buckingham छोटू mini vlog. I know I couldn't show you guys much because it wasn't allowed, but जितना भी I tried to show you guys. So yeah, this was it for today. If you guys like my video, please subscribe, like and comment. And yeah, this was it for today. I'll see you in next vlog. Bye.